What is good, YouTube? Instructify here. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can get fall damage on your creative map in Fortnite. So this is really simple. All you gotta do is follow a few of my simple steps. So if you're on a keyboard like me, you wanna press escape and then go to island settings. Then in island settings, you wanna go to player. In here, you wanna come down and locate locomotion. And here you want to turn on fall damage. For me it's already on. All you want to do is click here and turn it on. Then press exit and then press start game to test it out. So after you have reached high enough height, you just want to jump down and test it out. As you guys can see, my character died, so that means the fall damage is working. So if this video helps you guys out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you guys need any more help. Until next time, peace guys.